Who is outside?
Who is outside?
May I come in?
May I come in?
Wow, what a nice gift.
Wow, what a nice gift.
He does not like music.
He does not like music.
I want this kite.
I want this kite.
What a beautiful flower.
What a beautiful flower.
I like chicken roast.
I like chicken roast.
They sat under a tree.
They sat under a tree.
Please stand by me.
Please stand by me.
I have a toothache.
I have a toothache.
What are you doing there?
What are you doing there?
Let's solve the problem.
Let's solve the problem.
Can you help me, please?
Can you help me, please?
I can do anything for you.
I can do anything for you.
Let's eat pizza.
Let's eat pizza.
We have won the match.
We have won the match.
Milk is good for health.
Milk is good for health.
I am ashamed of my fault.
I am ashamed of my fault.
You should stop smoking.
You should stop smoking.
Thanks, but not now.
Thanks, but not now.
I'm extremely sorry for that.
I'm extremely sorry for that.
He has no specific aim.
He has no specific aim.
I'm ready to go now.
I'm ready to go now.
They are working hard.
They are working hard.
The knife is sharp.
The knife is sharp.
I like to watch movies.
I like to watch movies.
Walking is a good exercise.
Walking is a good exercise.
Wash your hands first.
Wash your hands first.
He always speaks the truth.
He always speaks the truth.
He can't speak English.
He can't speak English.
I don't see it.
I don't see it.
I have bought 2 chickens.
I have bought 2 chickens.
Can you lend me some money?
Can you lend me some money?